Hakabai snok tilang Jingrakhe International Day for Preservation the Ozone Layer Arjar Khandai Kariboy Social Forestry Division haringkat ke MECL Secondary School Umyam nekasngi kelapan kotnoi ke program ke bekerbang Jingrakhe ketika sngi kabaderu kasngi ke basitelup ke pertai ki rakhe kasngi ban sumar ke sertap ke bayda jing thau ba im hasla pertai hakaba penkut ketika Jingrakhe la sakhi de jing don lang ba jedkhar MFS Divisional Forestry Officer Riboy Division ke kong E Mauri RFO uba S maulong ka kong Daisy thaba headmistress ka MECL Secondary School Umyam kinohikai ni kiwe school ki khna lambat kiwe hakate ka sngi nakliang jang ko office DFO Riboy la penlong ru program ko blongkum ka jingi ko apdeng ki khna school ki balwan ban simta hate program hakane ka sngi nakliang ko office DFO kala penlong ru ka jingi ko tainya badia ko jingkin tip ktien ya ka bala simta di khna school jong South Ligi school ki badon hakate ka thany Umyam lapan ko diga program daga basam kusnam sikitu ki khna ki belawan syakmat hagi jinge ko bala penlong hakate Jingrakhe hagajo ko por haga bapan ko ki officer ki nohikai lambat ki khna school ki la penlong ki jing thungdeng ha phalau jong school MECL Secondary School ha Umyam
ozone depleting substances such as the chlorofluorocarbons which are used in aerosol cans and refrigerators, foam, cosmetics, etc. The nitrous oxide gas released from fertilizer
to the Earth's surface. This ozone layer present in the stratosphere, it protects the ultraviolet rays coming from the sun to the Earth. The scientists now has developed that there is a hole, there is a depletion that this ozone already destroyed. Because it's a layer like this on the top. But if there is a hole, that means if this ozone is destroyed, that means that ultraviolet can penetrate into the Earth's surface. It may reach you and me, and we may get different diseases, we may die. Therefore, it is very important to understand that we have to protect the ozone layer. We have to spread the message because day by day, now, yes, there is no increase, it is decreased day by day, but still, if we don't keep on trying to preserve this ozone, it may be one day your children, your future generation will have to face a major problem if we are not today to preserve the ozone.